Welcome to GardenBound, where today we're diving into the delightful world of blueberries. In this video, a comprehensive guide through each step of growing blueberries is provided, from selecting the right varieties and preparing the soil to planting, caring for, and finally harvesting these delicious fruits. Whether one is a seasoned gardener or just starting out, practical tips are shared to help ensure blueberry bushes thrive and produce bountiful harvests. So grab the gardening gear and let's get started on the journey to grow vibrant, juicy blueberries right in the backyard. When embarking on the blueberry growing journey, the first crucial step is selecting the appropriate variety for the climate, as not all blueberries are created equal. The main types include high bush, low bush, and rabbit eye, each adapted to different environmental conditions. High bush blueberries, which include the northern high bush and southern high bush, are best suited for temperate climates. Northern high bush varieties such as Blue Crop, Patriot, and Jersey thrive in cooler areas and are renowned for their cold hardiness and ability to produce high yields of large, flavorful berries. These varieties typically require between 800 to 1,000 chill hours, the number of hours below 45 degrees Fahrenheit during the dormant season, to ensure proper bud break and fruit set. On the other hand, southern high bush blueberries, such as Emerald, Jubilee, and Sunshine Blue, are tailored for warmer regions. They require fewer chill hours, generally between 150 to 800, making them ideal for areas where winters are mild. Low bush blueberries, like the Top Hat and wild varieties commonly found in Maine and Canada, are incredibly hardy and suited for colder regions. They naturally thrive in USDA zones 3 through 6, enduring freezing temperatures and still producing bountiful crops of small, intensely flavored berries. These plants often cover the ground like a mat and are excellent for landscapes that can benefit from a lower growing fruit producer. Rabbit eye blueberries, predominant in the southeastern United States, adapt well to warmer and more humid climates, suitable for USDA zones 7 through 9. Varieties like Vernon and Brightwell have shown remarkable resilience to heat and less optimal soil conditions, making them a preferred choice in these regions. Rabbit eye blueberries are known for their vigorous growth and the slightly later maturation of their fruit, which can be beneficial for spreading the harvest season. Gardeners in cooler climates might opt for the northern high bush Blue Crop, celebrated not only for its adaptability to cold, but also for its consistent high yields and excellent berry quality. In contrast, those in milder southern locales might choose the southern high bush Emerald, known for its ability to thrive in less chill-intensive environments and still produce abundant, sweet berries early in the season. By selecting the right variety based on local climate and soil conditions, blueberry plants can flourish, leading to successful and rewarding harvests. Creating the ideal soil conditions is pivotal for cultivating healthy blueberry plants. Blueberries have specific soil requirements, primarily needing an acidic pH between 4.5 and 5.5. Achieving this acidity is crucial because blueberries have a high sensitivity to pH levels. Outside this range, they struggle to absorb essential nutrients, particularly iron, leading to poor growth and yellowing leaves, chlorosis. To begin, conduct a soil test using a home test kit or by sending a sample to a local extension service. This initial step will reveal the soil's current pH level and other factors like nutrient content and texture. Based on the results, the soil may need to be amended to achieve the necessary acidity. For lowering the soil pH, sulfur is a common amendment. It reacts in the soil to form sulfuric acid, gradually decreasing the pH. The amount of sulfur needed can vary depending on the soil type. Sandy soils will require less, while clay-heavy soils might need more. Alternatively, organic materials like peat moss can also help acidify the soil while improving its structure. Peat moss is particularly effective because of its naturally low pH and its ability to retain moisture near the roots without waterlogging. The structure of the soil is just as important as its acidity. Blueberries thrive in well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Poor drainage can lead to waterlogged roots, which is detrimental to blueberries as it can cause root rot and other fungal diseases. To enhance drainage and add organic content, incorporate materials such as compost, aged bark or pine bark mulch into the top, 12 to 18 inches of soil where blueberry roots predominantly grow. Planting blueberries correctly is essential for ensuring they get a great start and continue to thrive year after year. The initial steps involve choosing the right location and planting the bushes properly. Blueberries require a sunny spot with good air circulation to maximize photosynthesis and reduce the risks of fungal diseases. The site should receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. When planting, begin by digging a hole that is twice as wide and as deep as the root ball of the blueberry bush. This spacious approach helps to loosen the surrounding earth, making it easier for the roots to expand and access nutrients. Blueberries need room to grow, both above and below ground, so spacing the plants about 4-5 feet apart is crucial. This spacing allows each plant enough soil resources and reduces competition, which can lead to better growth and berry production. Plant each blueberry bush at the same depth it was in the pot, which is vital to avoid burying the stem too deep, as this can stress the plant and lead to poor growth or even death. Carefully spread out the roots as the plant is set in the hole to encourage them to grow outward rather than tangling. After placing the bush, backfill the hole with the soil, gently firming it down to eliminate air pockets and water thoroughly. This initial watering is critical to help settle the soil around the roots and provide the necessary hydration to recover from transplant shock. Proper care for blueberry bushes encompasses diligent watering, mulching, fertilizing, and pruning practices, which are all crucial for promoting healthy growth and optimizing berry production. Watering is foundational, especially during the first 2 years after planting when the plants are establishing their root systems. Blueberries require consistent moisture to thrive, with an ideal weekly water intake of about 1 to 2 inches. This consistency is key to preventing the stress that can come from fluctuating moisture levels, which can adversely affect yield and berry size. To maintain this level of moisture, especially in regions prone to dry spells, using a drip irrigation system can be very effective. This method delivers water directly to the root zone, minimizing evaporation and ensuring that the plants receive a steady supply of water without becoming waterlogged. Mulching plays a significant role in retaining soil moisture and suppressing weed growth around blueberry plants. Applying a 2 to 4 inch layer of organic mulch, such as pine bark, straw, or even sawdust, not only helps maintain moisture levels in the soil, but also contributes to keeping the roots cool and gradually enriching the soil as the mulch breaks down. The choice of mulch can also assist in maintaining the acidic conditions that blueberries favor. Fertilization should be carefully managed to meet the specific needs of blueberries, which thrive in acidic soil. A fertilizer formulated for acid-loving plants is ideal, applied once in early spring as the buds begin to break, and again in late spring to help support fruit setting and development. Over-fertilizing can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of fruit production and potentially harm the plant due to salt accumulation, so it is crucial to follow recommended rates based on soil test results and plant age. Pruning is essential for maintaining plant health and vigor. In late winter, before new growth begins, prune out any dead, diseased, or weak branches to encourage robust new growth. This process also helps to open up the plant to better air circulation and light penetration, which are important for fruit quality and reducing disease incidence. Pruning should aim to create a balanced structure of strong, productive branches and remove any crossing or crowded limbs. A drip irrigation system was integrated into the blueberry care routine. This setup not only kept the soil consistently moist, helping to stabilize moisture levels during critical growth phases, but it also ensured that the water was delivered in a controlled manner, avoiding the risks of overwatering. The result was visibly healthier plants that were less stressed and produced a higher yield of berries. This practical approach to watering, combined with strategic mulching, fertilizing, and pruning, can significantly enhance the health and productivity of blueberry bushes. Harvesting blueberries at the right time is key to enjoying their full flavor and nutritional benefits. Typically, blueberries are ready to be harvested from mid to late summer, but the exact timing can vary depending on the geographical location and the specific varieties planted. For example, Early Blue and Duke are early season varieties that might start producing ripe berries in early July, while Elliott and Aurora are late season varieties that might not ripen until late August or early September. The signs of ripeness in blueberries are clear and straightforward. Ripe blueberries are fully blue, with no hint of red around the crown. If berries that are uniformly blue and come off the bush easily are seen, they are ready to eat. Berries that resist when trying to pick them or have a reddish tint are not fully ripe and will likely be tart. Ripe blueberries should detach from the plant with a light tug. The berries at the top of the bush and outside of the branches will ripen first due to their greater exposure to sunlight. When it comes to picking blueberries, gentle handling is crucial to avoid damaging the delicate berries and the plant. One effective method is to gently roll the berries between the thumb and the forefinger. This technique allows the ripe berries to fall off into the hand without pulling on branches or crushing the fruit. The ripeness of blueberry bushes is monitored around mid-July. By this time, many of the berries have reached full maturity, turning a deep blue color and detaching easily. This period extends through August, providing several weeks of fresh, sweet blueberries. Harvesting in the cool of the morning is best, as the berries are firm and less likely to be damaged during picking. Frequent harvesting every couple of days is also recommended to ensure that the berries are at their peak ripeness, and to prevent them from becoming overripe or falling prey to birds and insects. This approach not only maximizes the yield and quality of the berries, but also extends the harvesting season, allowing the enjoyment of fresh blueberries over a longer period. Growing blueberries can be a rewarding experience, providing delicious and nutritious berries right from the garden. If this guide was enjoyed, please like this video, subscribe to GardenBound for more gardening tips, and share experiences or questions about growing blueberries in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening.